Over the course of the pandemic, frontline workers like teachers kept schools running, putting their own safety at risk. Now lawmakers are proposing bonus pay for frontline workers. KIMT News 3's Jeremy Wall was at the press conference and spoke with some legislators about their mission. Jeremy.
Amy, the proposed legislation will give $1,500 to frontline workers who've been working hard all throughout the pandemic. Lawmakers are not giving up.
One day we will look back and there will be a profound story to tell about how we experienced this together in Minnesota. And the frontline workers are going to be in the center of that. When we didn't understand how the virus worked, when we didn't understand the risks, some people were tapped to go into work. They did that to keep us healthy, to keep us alive, and to keep our economy going.
Today, representatives from the Minnesota Senate and House came to Kids Choice Child Care Center to show their support for frontline workers.
As we think about all the nurses and healthcare workers who have been keeping us going through the last almost 2 years at this point, it's important that we support them, along with all of the other frontline workers.
RPS teacher Dan Coleman came out to advocate for the bill. If passed, the bill will put $1,500 in the pockets of workers.
Yet day in and day out, just like the early childhood and pre-K settings, we're there. Teachers are there every day. Custodians are there every day. Our paras and our ESPs and our bus drivers and SNS, they're there every single day to serve our students.
Legislators and essential workers are advocating for the bill because of the dedication of frontline workers, risking the safety of themselves and their families to come to work. Representative Liz Bolden tells me why $1,500 is a crucial number for them.
It needs to be a number that is both meaningful and possible, as there are, over I think 667,000 workers that fall into this category, which is also important because we want to be inclusive of all of the workers who did this work.
State Senator Erin Murphy is asking Jeremy Miller, Dave Senjem, and Carla Nelson, Republican senators, to make this a priority. She also tells me that last summer and fall, they did not, or they needed to do more to recognize all frontline workers. Live in Rochester, Jeremy Wall, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Jeremy. The lawmakers say they will keep advocating for the $1,500 bonus until a bill gets passed.